Welcome back. This is Chile Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If this is your first time, please click the subscribe button. Also give the video a like. I'll have frequent updates so you can continue to get this great information. Today, we're going to talk about my top stocks. So on this channel, we talk about stocks. We also talk about crypto. We also talk about credit. We also talk about other wealth building strategies such as real estate and other strategies to build wealth long term. So right now we're looking at SoFi. SoFi Technologies is up 6.55%. So it is one of my top performers on the day. Just to let you know, it has a 52-week high of $28, and then a 52-week low of $10. So I think back in June, I did a video on this stock when it first came to market. But prior to that, it was a SPAC play, and now is a full-blown company. Anthony Noto is leading the company. SoFi has gotten some good news this week. It says here, SoFi could hit $28. This was 7 hours ago, listed on Yahoo Finance by an analyst. They gave it a buy rating. Also, they're getting closer and closer to possibly getting a bank charter. So that's some good news for SoFi. And here's Motley Fool talking about the difference between SoFi versus Upstart versus Lending Club. Again, this is part of the whole fintech space. There's a race to get the new young people that are banking, whether you stay all in the SoFi ecosystem or you stay in the Upstart platform or you go to the Lending Club platform to get your financial needs met. So this is all part of the fintech space. SoFi, like I said, I've been talking about since May or June. And actually, I think right now is probably a good time to get in. It seems to be at its bottom. We did see out the box when it came out in June, it kind of peaked. So in June, it peaked at $22 per share, but now it has reset. They just had their official first quarterly earnings. So now that they've had a quarterly earnings, they could report and tell what went right. Now they can give better guidance. So on the day, our top stock, SoFi Technologies, led by CEO Anthony Noto, a veteran chief financial officer. So it shows here he's been running the company since March of 2018. And again, SoFi includes things like loan refinancing for students, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards. Again, this goes back to the whole ecosystem. With a lot of new customers, what SoFi intends to do is keep them on the platform. So keep them within the app. So once you get into the app, you should, if you got a student loan, there's an equivalent. You could get a mortgage with them. You could get a credit card. You can invest with them. You can invest crypto or stocks. So SoFi looks like they may have found a bottom at 1471. So again, today, the stock is up major, almost 7%. So let's go over to my Robinhood account and see what other stocks perform. Again, today was a great day in the market. Seemed to bottom out. Let's see. Yeah, it seemed to bottom out today. About at lunchtime, it started to turn around. So 920 kind of crept up. And like I said, it took off later on in the day than I expected, because early in the day was pretty much red over here. So let's talk about top stocks. Upstart, ticker symbol UPST, was up 4% on the day. Like I said, stuff turned green, but that didn't necessarily mean it was really hot. Had a lot, it was kind of spread. That's what I will say. It was sort of spread. So did well in all the tech stocks today rather than a few. I'll put it that way. It wasn't just like one or two. Ford was up 2.95%. Revolve Group again crushed it. They were up 3%. Domo slightly up, not even quite a percent. Nvidia up not a 0.5%. And Robinhood spiked 4%. So that's good news. Also, I did buy some more docs while it was down 6% on the day. Datadog was up 0.72, so not even a 0.5%. Affirm jumped late too, up 1.29%. And ticker symbol LRXCX, Lambda Research was up 1.33%. So quite a few stocks were up on the day, but like we said, some of the big winners was Robinhood being up 4.32%. Revolve Group, again, second day in a row, up 3%. And we had Upstart 4%. Again, this Motley Fool article talking about the different fintechs, this is real, this is happening. Whether it's Upstart or Lending Club, these new platforms are pretty powerful. Lending money in the new fintech space, which is better for your money, has an article. That's a great opportunity for many people. All right, so let's go to my other account, and top stock performer today was CBL and Associates Properties, was up 12% on the day. Stock traded at 18 cents. Pretty much I'm ready to sell this one. This one has been falling apart for some time. One funny thing about stocks is you'll see them actually spike as they're going down. So they're like a stair step down. So let's just look at C Black. And you'll see that this stock, it spikes while it's going down. And let's see. Let's take a look. Because just because a stock is going up in a day doesn't mean anything. So like you can see, this stock is trading between 11 cents and 18 cents. So not a really good stock to be in. Let's see, last year this time the stock was trading about 20 cents. And today the stock is trading at 18 cents. Not much to talk about. I can't remember when I bought this stock, but it is an over-the-counter stock. All right. All right, so SoFi was up again today, 6.76%. Again, I believe Anthony Noto is ready to turn this ship around. And there's rumor that they may get the bank charter as early as the end of the month, end of September, but no exact time frame. Next ticker symbol we have is X, or United Steel, is up 6%. GSAT, or Global Star, is up 4%. Freeport McMoran is up 5%. GBTC, or Bitcoin Trust, is up 5%. CLF, or Cleveland Cliffs, is up 5%, 4%. IIPR, or Innovative Industrial Properties, is up 4%. Again, this has to do with a lot of the marijuana and CBD oil farms where they produce these properties leased to the farming of the marijuana and CBD oil type business. So they've been up again today. COP, or ConocoPhillips, is up for a consecutive day. And so just to go down this list, many stocks were up today. Some were up as high as, we saw SoFi was up as much, 6%, but it was just like many stocks were up today in a positive. So it was a good day in the market late. Like I said, it turned around a little bit after lunchtime today. Stocks begin to perform. Palantir, that's one I forgot to mention. Palantir hit $27 a share again. So that was cool seeing Palantir surge back up. And like I said, some people are waiting for Palantir to go to 40 to get the whole double up the 100% on the stock, but I still think it's pretty, I think it's still pretty good, getting a 30% gain on Palantir. If you've been watching my channel, we've been talking about Palantir since it was $18 or $19 a share. So kudos to all the Palantir shareholders, a good stock to be in. And like I said, every time it's floated around $20, I've always suggested pick up some more shares of Palantir. And again, we know this is a data play. They hold contracts with the government, and then they've grown, expanded their partners as well on the commercial side too. So that's Palantir Technologies. And like I said, today, my top stock was SoFi Technologies, up 6.76 on the day. And again, I think it's found a bottom. It's been up and down the last couple of months. But like I said, they've already done their first quarter. And I believe going into the next quarterly earnings, they will do great. They will have a lot more news to announce, and there'll be a lot of better revenue. And like I said, Anthony Noto is experienced CEO, experienced CFO. So I believe this is he's going to have a lot more surprises for shareholders on the next quarterly earnings. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and leave your comments below.